Returning officer Jaka Shillong Parliamentary seat Bolongru Deputy Commissioner Jaka East KHASI Hills SC Sadhu Lembat KARO SP Jaka East Jaintia Hills but kiwe minta kasngi kila Leit Jurip Jaka Niew vote naka bentak election Lok Sabha hapolo Shillong. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor Hadian Kajing Jurip Inspection Deputy Commissioner SC Sadhu Ula Pentip Bakila Leit Banjurip Jaka Niew vote but Kijing Pinya Halor Kajing Pinya Yaki An Ki Kendon Kanang Ba Kan Omdon Kanu Kakenram Hakasni Niew vote but Man Pentiknaru Batang Kibor Badai Pinya Kibala Bandrung Hapo Ula pentip ru balabu ru yaki Jaka bakerpang na kabenta kilat pathai kubor kanang ba kinyo yaki jing pentip kubor kababiang.
Like media team, police, CAPF, which is guarding the entire strong rooms and this control center, our counting center, about various arrangements that we have made. And in fact, we have made elaborate arrangements for the purpose of counting, which includes the smooth counting of machines and postal ballot counting for all 7 districts will be conducted here, and also detailed law and order arrangements so that there should not be any untoward incident at the counting center, and to ensure that only authorized people are only allowed to be entered into the counting center.
Kahinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Maushinrut Sir